Hello, we're Vernon and Jayne, and welcome to our home.
It was really a peace of mind when we were with Craft Axis because we never had to worry at all about any issues, in fact.
Yeah, they knew exactly what to do from the get-go, from the initial conversation of going down to the showroom. By the time we came down and saw everything was up and everything was perfect, and that was it. These guys know what they're doing, obviously, and I'm really grateful for that because it's just one less thing to worry about, especially when you're doing an entire home renovation. It's like we met them for the first time, and then boom, everything was there.
Initially, because we weren't so into the idea of wallpaper, didn't really think about it until we started seeing our friends who use wallpaper in their home. So for example, like my friend Meeting, she did sort of like a marble-ish, concrete-ish kind of effect, but it's actually just wallpaper, and I thought it was pretty cool. So that's why we decided to explore a little bit more with Craft Axis. We were very impressed by the number of options and how it's actually very different from what I thought it's supposed to be.
If you ever tell yourself like, oh, I'm going to go to a wallpaper company and sit there and choose the wallpaper from the homes, good luck. I hope you have like 3 or 4 days because the options are just limitless, and like if you can think of a design or think of something that you want to put on your wall, they can actually make it for you, and to me, wow, that's unfathomable. For us in our home, we just wanted it to be as dark as possible when we wanted it to be dark, because I wake up very early in the morning, so when I come home in the day, I try to take naps. I need it to be blacked out, and that's what Craft Axis did for us, and they even helped us choose a very nice thick suede-ish material, which just adds a bit more class to the house. And there's just so much options, materials, types of curtains that you can choose from. Possibilities are really endless, but they really had the right recommendations. In fact, we chose our curtains really quickly, faster than our wallpaper, because they really knew exactly what I wanted, and the minute I said it, and boom, they recommended something. We just have to choose the color, and that's it. I'm gonna go with the rabbit wallpaper because I really like I like being in that room because of the wallpaper as well.
Fun fact, he chose it actually.
Yeah.
The reason why Liam's room is actually my favourite room out of all is also because of the large mural piece in the room. It was all customised for us right from the start. The inspiration came about because Liam is very into clouds at that point. Every time when we were driving, he would always ask Vernon to open up the sunroof to take a look at the sky. So we thought it was quite nice. But we also wanted something a bit more abstract that could last him for a while. So we actually brought that idea to Craft Axis to see how they could play with the idea and see what they come up with. And they were actually very on point. Like when they showed us the first design, we were sold because it was really very beautiful. Knowing that that piece is like sort of one of a kind makes us feel like it's very special. When
you walk in, it looks like, oh my goodness, you can see the sky and the clouds, and you don't see any blemishes or any lines or anything like that. So it really is very beautiful. If you've seen our house and you like the curtains that we chose and the wallpaper, of course, and you think it's something that will help you in your home journey, make sure you check out craftaxis.com.sg because, like I said, there's just limitless possibilities. There's so many things you can customize and choose for yourself. You really have to go and check them out, and I'm sure you'll find something that definitely fits your mood, your home, your theme, anything you want. It will be helpful.
Happy shopping!